Hello, Instagram Reels creator. Today, I'm going to show you how to add cool subtitles to your Instagram Reels using a smart tool called Submagic. Click on the first link in the description to go to the Submagic website. Once there, just hit login and use any of your email addresses to sign in. After that, you'll see a big space where you can put your video. Just tap here to put the video you want to add subtitles to. I'm picking a random video for this demo. The video is getting uploaded right now. Once it's up, Submagic will make subtitles for it automatically. Let me play the video to show you how great the captions look.
Alex told me that he did a route once and on his way up realized that he hadn't brought any chalk.
Whew.
So
Yeah.
he had to borrow it from someone else
Yeah.
who was strapped to ropes.
If you find any mistakes, don't worry, you can tap here to fix them. You can even put emojis to make the subtitles more fun. If you want to make the text look even cooler, tap design. You'll find lots of options to make the words pop. Submagic can also write a description for your video. Just tap description to use it. Now, when your video's all set, it's time to save it. Although Submagic is not free, it is one of the cheapest tools out there. I've also got a special deal for you. On the payment page, choose the yearly plan. It's 20% cheaper than the monthly one. You have two options, Basic and Pro. With Basic, you can subtitle 20 videos each month, but Pro plan lets you do as many as you want. I recommend going for the Pro plan to get the most out of Submagic. Tap Pay Now. On the payment page, there's an option to add promotion code. Type WB Explainer and tap Apply. You'll get 10% off, which saves you $48. With a total 30% discount, fill in your remaining details and finish the payment. If you found this video helpful, please like it and follow me for more cool stuff about AI. Thanks for watching.